Inside. Just gotta trim that sucker a little more. Oof. I have my nice handy dandy golf bag protector when taking golf clubs on an airport, holding up the ceiling panel, and it's doing a hell of a job. So I've measured the width of the entire thing. Divided that by 2, cut 2 boards, measured from here to here, and the same on the opposite side, and then measured from this board to the beginning of the fan, and then lined it all up, put down the insert, traced it, and hopefully that works. Hole drilled for the solar panel wiring to go through. file it down, make sure it's not too sharp, and then put the cover on. Ceiling is in. Got the cables coming through for the fan, some outlets, solar. Left that space there so feed more wiring in. A little bit easier to do. No, put mold down the middle. Front sides. All the way down the ends. And then furniture, baby. Some of the molding done.